Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today we will be learning how to change your phone number on email. First of all, launch open the email application on your smartphone or tablets and make sure you're logged into your current account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on your profile picture from the main home screen at the top left corner. Now you'll open up this Me menu. From the Me menu, go ahead and tap on the Settings button, and on the next page, select Account and Security. Now on the next page, tap on Change Phone Number and click on Change Phone Number from the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and enter your new phone number you want to change to. Once done with the phone number, click on Next at the bottom. Now, go ahead and enter the last 4 digits of the incoming number, and after you type in the correct number, you'll be able to change your phone number on email. So that is how you change your phone number on email application. Now your email account will automatically switch to the new number. Your contacts and chat should remain connected to your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.